The sky, a warning.
Okay, we should get the hell out of here, right?
That escape was almost too late. This fire is burning about 1 kilometer from a northern Manitoba community. It's forced about 600 people from their homes.
Oh, this is the worst.
And it's closed parts of the highway. Evacuees say they were first told they had 2 hours to leave, but things escalated so quickly it turned into 20 minutes.
Right from the highway, I watched the fire. It was burning hard, and it was rolling, and it was dark. The highway was completely black.
In Alberta, Fort McMurray is facing down another fire, now about 16 kilometers away. The city is under an evacuation alert, and residents know all too well how quickly things could turn.
You're almost waiting for it and constantly searching social media, what's going on? Is there new news? So, yeah, it's 2016 all over again. So. 8
years ago, the entire city fled as a catastrophic wildfire burned down entire neighborhoods. Though Fort Mac is only on alert, some residents gassed up and got out right away. Those who stayed say they're ready for anything.
Tank full of gas, jerry can in the garage. I waited till the initial rush of gas station panic happened Friday night before we left the house.
3 days worth of clothing, everything, documents, all ready to go.
This fire is in such a remote area, firefighters have to fly in.
So logistically, it's a little more complicated to get firefighters in and out. But we'll see what happens in the coming days and if we're able to establish better access.
On the other side of the province, a second out-of-control wildfire forced 17 households off their properties, the smoke leaving a thick shadow. All that smoke is creating hazardous conditions in other parts of the West. The Air Quality Health Index is at extreme levels in both Winnipeg and here in Edmonton, which means people more prone to health issues could face even further risks just from breathing. Sam Sampson, CBC News, Edmonton.